Anna, hey, Tom. How's it going? What did you eat today? Tom, hey, Anna. I'm good, thanks. I had a pretty varied day when it comes to food. For breakfast, I started with scrambled eggs mixed with spinach and a slice of whole grain toast. I also had a glass of orange juice to go with it. Anna, that sounds like a healthy start. I just had a smoothie with bananas, strawberries, and a bit of spinach. What did you have mid-morning? Tom, around 10 a.m., I had a small snack, a handful of almonds and a cup of green tea. It kept me energized until lunch. Anna, nice. I usually grab a granola bar around that time. So, what did you have for lunch? Tom, for lunch, I had a turkey and avocado sandwich on rye bread. I added some lettuce and tomato, and had a side of baby carrots and hummus. Oh, and a sparkling water to drink. Anna, that sounds yummy and nutritious. For lunch, I had a quinoa salad with chickpeas, cucumbers, and feta cheese. Did you have an afternoon snack? Tom, yes, in the afternoon, around 3 p.m., I had a Greek yogurt with honey and a sprinkle of granola. It was the perfect snack to keep me going until dinner. Anna, I love Greek yogurt. I usually have some fruit in the afternoon. Today, I had an apple and a handful of walnuts. What did you have for dinner? Tom, dinner was a bit more elaborate. I made grilled salmon with a quinoa and vegetable stir-fry. The stir-fry had bell peppers, zucchini, and broccoli. I also had a side of steamed asparagus. Anna, wow, that sounds delicious. I had spaghetti bolognese with a mixed green salad on the side. Did you have any dessert? Tom, yes, I treated myself to a small bowl of vanilla ice cream with fresh strawberries on top. It was a nice way to end the day. Anna, that sounds wonderful. I had a couple of dark chocolate squares. I try to keep my dessert light. What about drinks? Did you have anything special? Tom, besides the orange juice in the morning and the green tea, I mostly drank water throughout the day. I did have a cup of chamomile tea after dinner to wind down. Anna, I had a couple of cups of coffee during the day and a peppermint tea after dinner. Do you plan your meals ahead of time? Tom, I try to plan most of my meals to stay on track with healthy eating, but I also leave room for spontaneity. How about you? Anna, I usually plan my meals for the week but allow some flexibility for cravings or changes in plans. It helps me stay organized and eat well. Tom, that's a good approach. I find planning helps me avoid unhealthy choices when I'm busy. Anyway, thanks for sharing your meals, Anna. It's always interesting to hear what others eat. Anna, absolutely, Tom. I enjoyed hearing about your meals too. Maybe we can exchange recipes sometime. Tom, that sounds like a great idea. Let's do that soon. I hope this extended version meets your needs. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's all part of the learning process.